What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Excuse the loudness, they're cutting the grass outside. Today's video, I have a little problem with the S2K. Studs for my car broke off. I already started this, so I'm gonna go ahead and say what I did. First, took off the wheel, took off the disc, took off the brakes right there. It's right here. I took the bolts off. See, this one, brand new one I just put on. I'm gonna put on the other one. Putting the studs on the S2K is really hard. You can't just do it by yourself. You have to take out the whole hub. Let me show you guys. So this is the hub. You could take off the broken studs by cutting it off and it comes out. So this is the new one. I cut this little heat shield so I could put it in, and it won't go in. Why? Because there's this little hub thingy. If you guys are currently doing this on your car, you know what I'm talking about. And this will not allow you to easily put it in. I looked it up online, and you should be taking out this entire assembly of the hub and compress this out. But I don't have the time or the money to do that. I'm doing a shortcut. I don't recommend this. This is just for temporary. This is the regular stud, right? Look at it, inspect it, right? All right, this will not fit in. So what I have done is, I have to hold it like this because it's still a little hot. So what I've done is I've grinded the side. See, you can see. I've grinded part of the stud so it could easily fit in. I don't recommend this because it is shady as F. So now, put it through here. And let's see. You see? It's a little bit straighter now that I shaved it, but it's still not going in. Now I could hammer it in or shave it a little bit more. If I hammer it in like this, I might strip the stud. I probably have like one more stud left, so I'm not gonna hammer it in. So I'm just gonna shave a little bit more. Welcome to my workshop. There you go. Shaved it a little bit more. Let's see if it goes in. It's a lot straighter. I think it needs a little bit more. Just a little bit. All right. Yay! It finally went in. No strip. It's not stripped at all. You guys can see the gaps right there. Look. This is the second one. Shaved. It's in. You got this one. That one's a little bit stripped. You can't really tell on the camera. Right here, it's dark. But now we got 5. All right. So see how it's loose? I'm gonna show you guys how to tighten it. First, get a bolt. You might need a big bolt like this. I have this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right here, just like that. Screw it in, and then all you're gonna do is tighten it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hammer this in so you can get a little bit of grip. Got this bolt. Put it to the back. Hammer it. Just a little bit and tighten it. All right, so you guys can tell, look, see, it's spinning. So what I'm gonna do is, got this wrench. Hold it with one hand, tighten with the other. See? There you guys go. Now I add another layer, put the other bolt, and then put this one. And now I tighten it all the way until it is flushed. And just like that, we got 5 studs now. Alright, so these studs, you gotta remember, these are just temporary. They're not for everyday use. They're not for drifting. So just for right now. This is my daily car, so I don't have another car. So once I have 3 days to get this fixed, then I put it in the new studs. I already got the new studs right here. The new ones. So as you hammer it, it tightens it even more. Just like so. Now it's tight. Oh, you know what? I put it on the wrong holes. You guys, I put it in the wrong holes. My bad. It's this one and this one. Now we take it out. So, I put it in the wrong way. This is the right hole. This is the right hole. We're gonna flip it over. And there you go. We got the right spots. Now that it's in, have my little brother helping me out. He has to learn. How old are you?
7.
7. Perfect age to know. Alright, you can take it out now. No, you can take it out.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, you broke it. You broke my car now.
No, I didn't. You put it too
No,
hard.
you broke. Oh, I can't fix it now. No, you broke it. So now that we have this in and it's tight, next step, you guessed it, the brakes. We have the disc brake on, we have the brakes on, now it's the wheels. All right guys, so we got this done. We got it done, wheels are back on, and I forgot to test drive it. Let's go. Great, I think the battery's dead. So I've been having problems with the battery. It died last time, so I think I'm just gonna take it off, take it to AutoZone, recharge it, and I'll be back.